Today I'm showing you a surprisingly spacious 3-bedroom house in Hartenboschheuwels. Pet friendly, spacious backyard. Let's go and have a look inside. Very spacious living room, flows into your dining room area. Your open plan kitchen, nice and spacious, lots of cupboards, stunning granite finishes. It also leads to a balcony with a built-in braai, access to your garage, and additional parking space underneath the stairs. You'll find your first bedroom, built-in cupboards, first bathroom, full bathroom, to the left you'll see additional parking space in your second bedroom, also with built-in cupboards. Now we go to your main bedroom. Very spacious main bedroom. Also there's a balcony, leads to the backyard. So excuse me, the front yard. Get your full bathroom, the corner bathtub. Your built-in cupboards. Adjacent to the main bedroom, it's a nice and cozy balcony, it's offering stunning views over the ocean as well as mountain landscapes. The surprisingly spacious 3-bedroom house in Hartenboschheuwels is now up for sale.